The IoT, the Internet of Things. Quick overview of 5 things we're going to talk about: pervasive connectivity, edge intelligence, autonomous systems, AI-driven, interoperability and universal standards, and security and privacy. I'll make it simple. Let's start off with pervasive connectivity. And a good way to think about this is it's almost like a continual hyperactive data gossip chain of one machine talking to another, or another instrument talking to another. Obviously, we're going to have the 6G network potentially happening, depending where we are in the world. But it's about having everything that's connected, from our fridge to our shoes, to our Ultra network, to our AR glasses. So I want you to think about this. Imagine this. It's 2030. It's been a long day. I've just spoken at Telstra 2030 conference. I'm tired, but I'm feeling like I should deserve a little bit of a treat. The kids are just going to sleep. My beautiful wife Anna's helping them get to sleep, and I think I might just go give myself a little treat. Sneak into the kitchen, and as I open the freezer with my eyes on the prize of some Ben & Jerry's ice cream, I go in with the hand and beep, 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 my smartwatch goes off, and it goes 268 steps before you reach your health goal for today. No ice cream, nils. I'm in a dilemma, guilt or not. And then, just to make things worse, with the interconnectivity, the lights of the kitchen go off and the fridge locks itself. Now, it might sound a little bit funny, but here's the thing. This is where we're heading again, where we can have devices that are working with our whole house is working towards our health goal, where my fridge is creating an intervention against ice cream and my smartwatch is dobbing me in saying, no, you can't do it. This is what we can do with pervasive connectivity. A second thing to consider, and this relates to that concept of edge intelligence, of having these nodes of data centers around the place, but smarter street gadgets around there so we can do processing on the spot, no more having to send all of that information out to the cloud. And then we have autonomous systems. It's not necessarily about machines that react, but actually rather make decisions for us that work autonomously. So it's about having self-managing factories. It's about having self-repairing machines. And our good old fridge there knows how to replenish the milk before you know you're out of it, or the materials to tell you what's in that fridge so that when you're running and you see what that smoothie should be, it tells you exactly what you should do. Trend number 4, interoperability and universal standards. Basically, this means that our machines will be able to talk to each other in more of a universal language. So it's not like, oh, this doesn't sync with this or this doesn't sync with that. It's all on the one page. So your fridge can talk to the car, the fridge talks back to your watch, the watch tells you, hey, you've forgotten your keys, this is where they are, go and grab them, making life much easier for us in some ways. And finally, we have security and privacy innovation. And the way I like to think of this is data bodyguards that are going to keep out the digital riffraff. And so encryption, security becoming so much more prevalent, that's going to start to be built into the Internet of Things. So it means that there's going to be some real threat detection in real time that enables us to keep us and our consumers safe from things out there. And because there's going to be billions and billions of different sensors buzzing around the place, there'll be more integrity into the structures that we've got there. So they are some of the emerging trends that I can see happening for our consumer in 2030.